Okay, good evening YouTube on the 7th of March 2023. And as my son said, you must put the title correct. The unboxing and first impressions of the lante ultralight pack. Okay. Live in the UK, United Kingdom, England, Scotland, Ireland and Wales and Northern Ireland. Brought this for £240, £240 from the outside the store. Only ever seen them sold in America. Only ever seen them advertised in America. And the problem with that, if you're a foreigner like me, is the tax. Okay. Lante. Oh my god. Oh. Shit. That is smaller than I thought was small. Oh wow. Okay. First impressions. Wow. Damn. 12-inch ruler. Roughly 24 inches in length. There's the size. Comes with the minimum. Why would a 58-year-old man buy a lante ultralight pack? Whew. All my camping, if you've seen all my other videos, has mainly been hammock camping, North Downs Way hammock camping, South Downs Way, Hadrian's Wall, all by hammock. Wow. And for that you need a bigger Bergen backpack. Now, when I left the army, I burned all my gear, sent it all away, sold it at boot fairs and got rid of it. And I went to Cotswold camping and I brought this low alpine, if you can read it, Sierra Torre 65 85 litre. That weighs £6 on its own. And I thought to myself when I went to Scotland, I'm either unfit, out of shape, or I don't know what I'm doing. With the tent, it was £6 for the Bergen, for tent £4, which made it £10 in total. That's before you even had your sleeping gear. Now it says here, the big three of hiking is the sleeping bag and pad, the shelter and the backpack. And I thought to myself, after Hadrian's Wall, if you notice after Hadrian's Wall, I've not followed my channel. After Hadrian's Wall, I had arterial fibrillation and ended up in emergency in the A&E department of the hospital, as they say, as simple as that. And I have an irregular heartbeat and I have a wonky heart. I've had the operations, I've had a couple of operations, and I've still getting to grips with it, as they say. So, for me, this year, 2023, the Sandstone Trail, which is a 30-mile walk, more or less from the railway station down to Cheshire. Now, if I cannot do that and spend 2 nights out on a 30-mile walk and look after myself out in the wilds of Cheshire, then I may as well give up camping and then sell all this online. But I watched Jupiter Hikes, I watched John Z, and I love all that stuff, and just thought to myself, let's have a stab at ultralight and see if we can take the weight literally off my shoulders. Water bottles, water bottles. And I decided to invest in £240 in this. As I said there, whoop. Tent, sleeping bag, tent, which is the Big Agnes Carbon Core Sea House. No, Fly Creek, aren't we? We're on Fly Creek. We are on the Fly Creek in Cuban fibre. So, all my big three, everything. Ah, come on, the only way in it. Oh my God. 6.65. Get off the 6. That was 666. 6.5 for all my big three. Now, the idea is that all of that fits into my lante pack. I was expecting that to be bigger. I like the idea of putting a peg pocket there. I like the idea of the underneath pouch. Mine's just not as big as I think. Look at the size of my hand compared to that. I have thought ahead. Platypus 1 litre bottles that will take shape with water. Oh my God. Cuban core. Okay, sleeping bag. Nemo Fusion, spoon shaped, long, large. Oh my God. Towels. Tents. I'm going to get these poles inside or outside. Probably better on the outside, wouldn't we? Yeah, I'd say outside. $3mm foam tie neck. Now this is from Decathlon, the 4 class 700. My, I'm going to struggle with that one, but that's foam, so it don't really matter. The tie bit doesn't really matter. I'd like to put something else outside. Don't have to take it, but as I say, that's my ultralight, that's my pegs, that's my food, human fibre bag. Now, lante pack won't be using me as a poster boy. May work better with a fixed bottle instead of a platypus soft bottle. But that, all together, to get me through is £9, £9.3. £9.3 for an ultralight setup. Got the big three, got the pack, got everything. The sleeping bag may be needing a bit of work on it. So, you are not stopping for anyone, are you? What I like about it, there's nothing on it. There were no features on it. What I would like, a bigger one. Oh my God, this could be interesting. Is there a sternum strap there? Wow. Even the sternum strap just makes it across. They even choked me out. So, if you're gonna follow me channel, you're gonna see a 59-year-old man weighing 116 kilos or 230 pounds, 18 stone. You're going to see him walking the sandstone trail, and you're going to see him attempt to be ultralight and keep the weight off. I could do other things, I could be fitter, but I'm going to battle through and see what happens. Okay, that is interesting for the future.